Yung next sign is Taurus, no? Taurus generally medyo stable, no? Except sa fourth quarter, no? Wherein there can be some health issues or even questions, no, about love, no? But basically, first half of the year, parang friendship, no? Mga tutulong, noble people, will be good to them. So generally, Taurus medyo, more stable, no?
And then?
Okay. Okay, and next is Gemini. Gemini may major Gemini is where Uranus, the revolutionary planet, the planet of technology, the planet of changes, no, will be in that sign, you know. So on the positive side, it means mas magiging matalino sila or mas magiging charismatic, no, because of that intelligence that they will be showing, no. So for Gemini, it's going to be a very busy year. So make the most of that, no. Number one nga, from the intelligence, charisma, and then
Bakit para may violent
opportunities.
reaction?
Oo,
Kuya
bakit,
Joey?
bakit
Ako
ka
yan eh.
nagre-react?
Hindi, pero bakit ka nag-reaction? Very busy. Ayaw mo ba nun?
Gemini. Oo.
Ako Gemini
Nagre-react.
Cancer in
Ako,
the cards.
gusto ko na maging busy kaysa hindi maging busy.
Correct, kesa
Tama
nga nga.
naman.
Oo,
Tama
oo,
naman.
Oo.
Yeah, it follows, no? Kung may opportunity, grab it. Kaya kailangan maging masipag din.
Yes.
Nakompleto nyo na po ba, Sir Resty?
After Gemini,
Okay, after Gemini, Cancer, na-discuss na natin, which is
Opo.
one of the luckiest signs.
yes.
And then Leo, Virgo yung susunod, no? Na hindi pa
Okay,
natin
Virgo.
na-discuss. Virgo is going to be hit, no, by the eclipses, no?
wow.
By eclipses naman, madaming challenges nga, no, sa health, sa career, no? So basically, parang kailangan ng parang decision making, no? Should you stay with this person? Should you stay with that career or whatever? So it's time for introspection. On the positive side, merong isang tinik, no, na nabunot, no, dahil sa paggalaw ng isang planeta, which is Saturn, umalis na sa Virgo. So siguro sabihin natin itong 2026 is more on reconstructing, no, one's life based on the challenges na pinagdaanan last year and the first half of this year.
Oh. So yun na po yung last. Virgo na po yung last.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Okay. Ano,
So, kasi yan eh. Okay, so Libra yung susunod. Libra, generally, maganda yung takbo, no, ng career. So it's like peaking, no, sa career nila. No? So again,
Sino
make
itong
the
mga
most
Libra
of
na
the opportunities. Okay, so Scorpio yung susunod. Scorpio, medyo stable din, especially sa first half of the year. Ang warning lang sa Scorpio is yung choosing, no? Choose the right person, choose the right opportunity, choose the right partner, business or
Naku, mga
romantic.
Libra, maging choosy kayo.
Scorpio.
Mm,
Okay.
Choosy.
So,
Okay,
okay.
Sagittarius tapos na. Capricorn tayo ngayon. Capricorn at two more signs. Capricorn is the sign na medyo dapat pag-ingatan yung kanilang health, pag-ingatan yung kanilang schedule, follow a structure, let's say mag-budget, gumawa, no, ng mga long-term planning. Okay? Second to the last is Aquarius, no? Aquarius, I think na-discuss na pala natin, tatamaan nga siya ng eclipse. The last one. The last one is Pisces. Pisces is the sign na medyo nakahinga rin, ano, kasi nga umalis na yung isang paalis na itong Saturn sa sign ng Pisces at Jupiter will be bringing opportunities, new friends, new contracts, no, sa Pisces on the first half of the year. Second half siguro kailangan lang din ingatan yung kanilang health, no, let's say especially sa start, no, with having enough sleep, no. So health and sort of mental health ang kailangan nilang ingatan.